Namaste friends, I am your astrologer Mrityunjay Ochna, and in this video we are going to discuss weekly horoscope 7th September to 13th September. Actually this weekly forecast is being published in a national news portal Dainik Jagran, but that is in Hindi. And as you know, I have clients from all over India, like from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, West Bengal to Mumbai, Gurgaon to Hyderabad, and from more than 50 countries too, like Mauritius, Fiji, Pakistan, and US, UK, UAE, Australia, New Zealand. So these Hindi language, they are not able to read, right? Exactly. So that is why I was requested to post some videos in English. So this is the reason why I'm going to start from weekly horoscope, and so that you all can get advantage of this. Okay, and I will try to start this in my broken English. I hope you can understand. So many people ask me what we should apply for moon sign or ascendant, but sun sign, name sign. So we Indian follow moon sign, and I personally follow ascendant, because moon is a very psychological type of things. It rules our mind. Okay, what we like to do, what we want to do, but ascendant gives you the practical result. So if you know your moon sign or ascendant, you can apply with both, or especially from ascendant. Okay, so friends, without any further delay, let's start with Aries friends. So we talk about your business and career. This week is going to be good, better for your career, business, especially 7th and 8th December. They are going to be common. It's okay, but you will get your confidence boosting, okay, going up, right? 9th and 10th September, they are going to be good for you, especially for the money matter, okay? And if you want to go for some interview, then 11th and 12th, these two dates are very good, okay? Even 13th September is going to be normal for you. So overall, this week is looking good, okay? About your health, this week is looking good for your health too, and you may get some betterment from your existing diseases, health issues. So almost the entire week is looking good for your health. Okay, and if we talk about your relationship, then it's looking normal for your relationship too. You will get support of your family. You have to take care of your mother's health, especially on 11th and 12th September. Okay, and try to avoid some arguments with your partner, love partner, life partner, business partner too, on 7th and 8th September. Okay, so that's all for the Aries people. Now let's start about next Vrishab, Taurus. So Taurus friends, about your career and business, this week is normal for you. Just you need to be careful in the starting of the week, 7th and 8th September. Okay, there can be many expenses, you have to take care of this, but 9th and 10th September, they are going to better for you. Okay, and on 11th and 12th September, you will see some betterment in your money matter. If something is pending from long time, then you can get that. And 13th September is looking good. If you want to give some interview or going for some business deal, then 13th September is the perfect day. Let's talk about your health. Okay, this week is going to be little zigzag in your health matter. Some troubles can be there. Don't take mental pressure on 7th and 8th September. Take care while you are driving. Okay, there can be some expenses on your health, and but you will see betterment from 9th and 10th September, and rest of the week is looking normal for you. Let's talk about your relationship. For relationship, this week is looking good. Okay, And just you need to control your emotions on 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th September, okay? And do not expect too much. Rest of the week is looking good for you, okay? Next, Gemini. So Gemini friends, career and business mixed. This week is looking mixed, okay? 7th and 8th September, they are looking very good. There can be some profit and even the fulfillment of your desires. Chances are there on 7th or 8th September. But 9th and 10th September, they can give you some losses, some expenses, so you need to be careful. And 11th and 12th September, they are looking okay, normal. But 13th September, again looking very good for your money matters, okay? Let's talk about your health. But for your health, this week is normal. You can get some problem. Pre-existing diseases can give you some ups and downs in your health, especially on 9th and 10th September, okay? And something related to the stomach or feet problem there can be, okay? So just you need to be careful. Rest of the week is looking good. Let's talk about your relationship. It's looking good. This week is looking good for your relationship. You'll get support of your family. If you want to improve your existing relationship, if there was some problem, you can work on 11th and 12th September. Rest of the week is looking good for you. And next, Karka Rashi, Cancer. About the career and business, looking good. 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th September, they are looking very good for your business, job, whatever you are doing. You will get new opportunities, monetary gain. There can be some good news from your job front, okay? So hope for the best. But take care on 11th and 12th September. There are chances for loss and monetary loss, expenses. So be careful on that, okay? Let's talk about your health. Your health is looking, you need to be very careful. You have to give importance to your health this week, okay? Do not ignore any problem, especially 7th, 8th, 11th and 12th. You have to be careful. There can be some mental worries, anxiety, even some existing diseases can give you some problem, okay? Rest of the week looking good. About your relationship, it's looking good. And you have just to avoid any arguments on 11th and 12th September. Take care of your father's health. Rest of the week is looking good for you. Let's talk about Leo friends, okay? Leo guys, about your career, about your business. This week is looking good. 7th and 8th September is looking normal. There can be some, traveling, small traveling too. And 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th, they can give you very good news about your career, about your job, business and monetary gain too. So whatever was pending from long time, there are chances you will get it, okay? And even you need to be careful on 13th September because there are chances for some loss and expenses. So just be careful. About your health, this week is looking good, okay? You may get some betterment from pre-existing disease, okay? And betterment in general health too. Just be careful while driving on 13th September. Rest of the week is looking good, okay? Let's talk about your relationship. For your relationship, this week is looking good. You will get support of your family, betterment in relationship. Even if you want to start something new in your relationship, 11th and 12th September are going to be good for you. So rest of the week is also fine. So friends, Kanya, Virgo. Guys, about your career and health, not very good. 7th and 8th September can give you some mental worries, okay? There can be a delay in getting results. Even on 9th and 10th September, there can be, some mental pressure, hard work, coming here, going there, this kind of things, understand? But after that, 11th, 12th, and 13th, they are going to balance all your hard work. Means these 3 days, they are looking good for monetary purpose, okay? And especially you will get some good news in your career, business, and some monetary gain too. About your health, this week is normal. Starting of the week, be careful on 7th and 8th September while driving, and just avoid mental worries. After that, rest of the week, I mean from 9th and 10th September, you will see the betterment in your health, and the rest of the week is looking normal. Let's talk about your relationship, and this week is looking mixed, okay? You understand Mila Jula, right? And there can be some betterment in your family relationship, okay? But starting of the week 7th and 8th September, just try to avoid arguments, take care of your father's health. After that, some improvements will be there, and rest of the week is looking good to balance your relationship. Anyway, Libra. About Libra friends, your career and business not looking very good this week. 7th and 8th September looking normal. 9th and 10th chances for loss, expenses. Even 11th and 12th they are also looking normal. So only 13th September is the day of the week which is looking very good. Okay. Otherwise, rest of the week they are looking normal, or some chances of losses, like I said, 9th and 10th. So this week is looking mixed for you, so just be careful. About your health, it's looking good. Just be careful on 9th and 10th while driving, and even is looking after that, it's looking good. You may get relief from existing health issues, and there will be improvement in your confidence also. Let's talk about your relationship. So you need to be careful in your relationship matter. Starting of the week is looking good, means 7th and 8th September they are good, okay? But after that there can be many turbulence in your relationships. So be careful, avoid arguments. And let's talk about Scorpio people, okay? About your career, business, this week is looking good. Okay, 7th and 8th September, there are chances for success in interview or in any competitive exam, and monetary gain too. 7th and 8th September, even 9th and 10th September, they are also looking very good. But 11th and 12th, they can give you some mental worries and losses too. So be careful on 11th and 12th September. 13th September is also looking for some small journey. Okay. And about your health, this week is not looking good. So you need to be careful. 7th, 8th, and 11th. These 3 days, there are chances for some stomach related issues in your health, or there can, even your existing health problem can give you some more problems. So be careful while driving too, especially on 7th, 8th, and 11th September. Otherwise, rest of the week is looking normal. About your relationship too, this matter is not looking very good. Avoid any type of arguments on 7th and 8th September. Even try to avoid any mental worries, or take care of your father health on 12th and 13th September. Okay. This week is not looking good if you want to start something new in your relationship. Sagittarius, my favorite one. Friends, your career, business, it's looking normal. 7th and 8th September, you have to take care of your job. Take care of your job on 7th and 8th September. But 9th and 10th September, that is looking good. You can get success in interview, competitive exam, and some monetary gain too. And 11th and 12th September, this is looking normal. But 13th September can give you some mental worries. So take care of that. About your health, looking mixed. This week is, like starting of the week, 7th and 8th September, they are looking good. But you have to take care of your health on 9th and 10th September. Okay, be careful. 11th and 12th September, they are looking normal. And be careful while driving too on 13th September. Okay, so this week is not looking that good. Okay, so it's mixed but not below average, I can say. Let's talk about your relationship. Okay, this week is looking good for your relationship. Obviously, you will get support of your family members, your life partner, and if you want to start something new in your relationship, then 7th and 8th September are looking good. Try to avoid any type of arguments on 9th and 10th September. Okay, the rest of the week is looking normal. Capricorn, Makar. Friends, about your career, about your business, this week is looking good. 7th and 8th September can give you success in your job, business, means looking better. But 9th and 10th, they can give you some, turbulence, some troubles. So take care of 9th and 10th September. For interview or any type of business deal, 11th and 12th September are looking good. Even 13th September is looking normal. Talking about your health, it's looking normal. There can be some, this week can be somewhat tired for you. You can feel, you need to rest, what I mean to say. Especially on 11th and 12th September, that can give you some health problems, and rest of the week is looking normal. But the outcome of the week about your health can be you need to take proper rest. Okay, and about your relationship, it's looking good. This week is good, and especially 9th and 10th September, they are looking very good if you want to start something new. But 11th and 12th September, there can be some arguments with your life partner. So take care of 11th and 12th September. Okay. Rest of the week is looking good. Let's talk about Aquarius. Kumbh Rashi. Friends, about your business and career, this week is looking good. And for any interview or business deal, 7th and 8th September are good. Even 9th and 10th September can give you success in your work and monetary gain too. And 11th and 12th September, they are looking normal, but 13th September can give you some good news about your job. Let's talk about your health. This week is looking good. Okay, there can be some betterment in existing health problem, and the best day for your health can be 11th and 12th September. Only 13th September is looking below average. Otherwise, entire week is looking good. So take care of your health on 13th September. About your relationship, this week for your relationship, looking good. Okay, and if you want to start something new, 11th and 12th September, they are looking good. You'll get support of your life partner, family, and 9th and 10th September is the very good day to spend with your family. Rest of the week is looking normal. Meena Rashi, Pisces. So friends, about your career and business, this week is looking good from starting 7th and 8th September, monetary gain, 9th and 10th for interview and business deal. Rest of the week is also looking normal. So this week is going to be very good for Pisces, especially for your career and business. About your health too, this week is looking good. You will get betterment from your existing health problem. Just take care of your health on 13th September, and be careful while driving too on 13th September. The rest of the week is looking good. About your relationship, yes, this week is looking good. आपकी तो बल्ले बल्ले है, मतलब करियर भी अच्छा, स्वास्थ्य भी अच्छा लग रहा है, एंड रिलेशनशिप ओके. So about your relationship, 9th and 10th September, there are chances for some family trip. And if you want to start something new, 13th September is looking good for your relationship to start something new. Rest of the week is also looking good. So that's all from my end about all moon sign. So if you want me to continue like this every week, so do not forget to subscribe the YouTube channel, and take care.